You want the best for your dog, right? Could your furry best friend use a boost? Have you heard about Boost Me, a game-changing product that's changing the lives of dogs for the better? Boost Me's nutritional powerhouse gives your dog the natural nutrients missing from today's overly processed fast food diet for pets. Finally, you can give your dog all the power of a raw diet without any of the mess or hassle. You get the raw without the thaw. And best of all, Boost Me is meant to be given as an additive to your dog's regular meals. So there's no need to measure and switch out food, do complex caloric math equations, or thaw out meals in advance. There's no drippy, bloody, raw meat mess to contend with, and no need to refrigerate Boost Me. Just scoop and feed. Boost Me is a freeze-dried, versatile organ and muscle meat-based supplement that contains a mix of Wisconsin free-range beef muscle meat, vital beef organs, blood, and bone. All of the good stuff, none of the processed junk. That's why dogs and pet parents love it. Boost Me entices picky eaters to clean their bowls, adds healthy weight gain to sick or injured pups, contains essential enzymes to keep cells healthy, is made from high-quality meat-based proteins that keep your dog strong and lean, includes essential amino acids that help improve joint function, brain function, and overall well-being.